Let's take our mashed potato game to the next level, guys, with this cheesy, delicious, bacony mashed potatoes. No, we're taking like 16 levels higher. So let me show you what we need, okay? For these mashed potatoes, we're going to need bacon. Yes, bacon. You heard me. We need some bacon, we need some butter, we need some cheddar cheese. Yes, we need some salt. We need some mozzarella cheese, and we need some milk, and of course we need the potatoes, and this flour is just to make me feel bougie. So yeah, these are the mashed potatoes you'll be serving people on Christmas, on New Year's, on your birthday, or every day. I mean, by then I'm doing a series where we are taking regular recipes and taking them like a few notches higher. So you want to look out for this series. It's gonna be amazing, fantastic. First, we do what? We peel the potatoes. Yes. So as the potatoes are boiling, I'm going to fry up the bacon. First, cut it into really tiny pieces, and then fry it until it's nice and crisp. I mean, have you ever, like ever? Look at this. Oh my goodness. First of all, it smells delicious. But it's time for a taste test. Okay, let's do this, guys. Ooh-wee. This is looking so yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. My ancestors are very happy. It is so soft. It is so cheesy. The crispy bacon bits. Try this and let me know. Now this will be a very nice dish, by the way, to serve with your meatloaf. And if you don't know how to make meatloaf, that is the video you need to watch next, because my gosh, they go so well together. So I'll see you over there. Love it.